My favorite fourth part from Follow That Bird.
That 8-foot bird is still on the land. You know, Sid, people would pay money to see that bird.
Nah. I wouldn't pay to see no bird.
No. People would pay us to see that bird. Us!
Hey! Hey, let me down!
You want to get down? It'll cost you another nickel. It's 10 cents for the round trip, kid.
10 cents? What a ripoff! Stole my apple.
That's so.
That's my apple.
Well, this ain't your day, is it, kid? Here. Now get out of here. Scram.
A big fat nickel.
Yeah. We catch that bird. Those nickels will be dollars. Think of it, Sid. The big time.
Yeah, but how are we going to catch that bird?
I don't know.
I just may have to use my brain.